Let's solder 805 capacitor. This type of capacitors are non-polarized and have 5-side termination. Add solder on one side. Melt solder and slide a capacitor in the solder while keeping it flush to the PCB. Make sure to hold the component until solder solidifies. Solder the other side. Make sure the joint is concave shaped like this. Now we will remove the capacitor using soldering iron. Add an extra solder to both sides. Melt both sides simultaneously while moving the component away from the land. Remove remaining solder with solder wick. Clean flux residue. Now we will remove capacitor using hot air. Preheat the PCB to avoid thermal shock to other components. Apply hot air while holding component with tweezers.